You just went through the Dallas Education Foundation and Dallas ISD Career Institute's 4-day weekend Yes and workshop. What was the big takeaway?
I learned new skills that I didn't know about. I learned how to communicate and how to talk to people like during interviews and stuff like that.
The biggest takeaway was the philosophy that you presented, which was yes and.
Since I'm going to college where I won't know anyone, it's definitely better to say yes and to be able to like meet new people.
For me, I will use that on my daily basis whenever I will network with people.
The energy in the place was just fantastic. All the students were actively engaged.
It was really funny. I never been to something like this, so it was something different, you know?
The performers were awesome.
I really didn't expect to have this much fun.
It made me learn something very important. Everything really is just up to me.
Do you think you'll be using yes and yourself?
Yes, we definitely will. Yes and yes and yes.
Thank you, Dallas Education Foundation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.